As they still cook, let's add some salt to our eggs. You add it to your taste. So I can't say the specific amount you're supposed to add. So for me, I'm very sure this is enough, because also a lot. Hey guys, how do you do? Welcome back to this channel. I go by the name Mercy. Thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take that for granted. So guys, I'm passionate about cooking, as in this video is all about cooking and how I blend in my spices to bring in the flavor together with the aroma. So today, first of all, feel free to hit that like button, share, and leave a comment down there below so that I can know what you think about today's video. So today, as I've said, I want to share with you how I make my scrambled egg. So to start with, I already have my pot here, and I have the ingredients that I need to use. I have both onions and tomatoes. I've already cut them, so that means I'm very ready. Another thing that I have are these my two spices. This is garlic and onions. These are the only spices that I'm gonna use today. And apart from that, guys, as you all know, garlic is best when it comes to nausea. It controls nausea and also heart disease. So if you're having a problem when it comes to nausea or heart disease, you go for garlic, while onions are also source of vegetables and also brings the flavor. This one also brings the flavor together with the aroma. And we go to the main ingredient, which are eggs. I have like, how many eggs here? 7 eggs. And lastly, because I've not beaten the eggs, I'm gonna need some pinch of salt. So let's just start, guys. That's what we automatically gonna use in this video today. And I'm also forgetting, we also need some oil. Yeah. So let's lit our fire. Have you ever used this matchbox here? It's very common in Kenya. I don't know your country whether it is, but this is mostly what we use. If you don't have lighter, this is the cheapest one you can afford. So I'm gonna leave my pan for the water to dry up, then I add oil. My pan is now dry. Let me add some oil. Then after that, I won't wait for long because the oil is dry, the pan is dry, the oil is now ready. So let's add our onions. So we'll start with the onions. And we cook them till they turn golden brown. As they still cook, let's add some salt to our eggs. You add it to your taste. So I can't say the specific amount you're supposed to add. So for me, I'm very sure this is enough, because I'll also put some salt in the tomatoes. So, and we beat it. the best tool to use for whisking the eggs is the whisker, this one here. So instead of using the spoons, why don't we use the whisker? It makes work easier. So the eggs that I'm using are purely, they are from the chicken that I rear myself. So, and the chickens are not pure kienyeji, but how do you call them? Improved. So our onions are ready. I'm gonna add in tomatoes. So for my onions to get ready very fast, I'm gonna add some pinch of salt, and this is also the best time for you to put your ingredients. The onion, the salt isn't enough. So as I said, this is the best time for you to put in your ingredients. So I'll start with the, not ingredients, but spices. So I'll start with the garlic. Then I go to my onions. Then you leave your spices to simmer a bit before now we add the eggs. So guys, our onions, tomatoes, and together with the spices are ready. Now what remains is to put in our eggs, and we'll be done just like that. As you always know guys, eggs are is a good source of proteins. So this here, I'm gonna eat it with some vegetables, that is kales, together with ugali. Ugali is a source of carbohydrates, while the vegetables are source of vitamins, and these ones are proteins. Balanced diet for lunch. In case you do not know or you don't have any idea on how to cook ugali, feel free to visit one of my videos that have done in my channel. You'll see how we prepare ugali. Meanwhile, let's stir our eggs so that they don't get burnt. Guys, just like that, as simple as such, no complications, our eggs are ready to be served. So thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. If you like this one, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And also you can leave a comment down there below so that I know what you think about today's video. Otherwise guys, see you in the next one. Bye.